Hi everybody, I'm Shreyas from MDAV Public School Hyderabad, and today I'm going to do this project on Google Forms, and the topic is quiz builder, and the subtopic given is imagine you're asked to create a quiz on your favorite topic of your favorite subject, and here are some instructions that I must follow, and here are some features that are required in this Google Forms. So I'll get started with my forms. So in order to do this, we have to go to forms.google.com. So here I've already created my form. So I'll get started with the first four instructions. That is name, email, any questions related to the topic. Questions should be of various types. So so here's the title I've given, uh, chemistry quiz, and here's my favorite topic, atoms and acids. Uh, so here's the name, email address, and the questions you can see are here. Uh, uh, this I'll be doing when I preview it, and the questions are of various types. For example, there is a short answer type and a checkbox type and an MCQ type. So the first four I've completed, and second one is add proper settings or validations wherever required. So here in the email address, uh, I've added a validation. So this I'll be showing you when I preview it. Set the correct answer for each questions. Uh, as you can see here, uh, I've set the correct answers. So you can view it more when I show you the preview of this form which I've made. Give 2 points for each answer. So as you can see, I've given points for each answer. For example, here I've given 2 points, and for all the questions I've given points also. So now I'll be showing you the preview of this form I've made. So in order to do this, I'll click this preview icon. So here is it. So email address. So this is my email address, and I'll type my name. So here you can see points for everything. So now I'll just do the sample of the quiz. So the first question, for example, I gave what is the formula of nitric acid? That is HNO3. And what is the meaning of the term fractional distillation? So this is the definition. And which acid is also known as the king of acid? As you can see, it is in the form of checkbox. So I'll click these both. So here I've also added an image in order to highlight this question. So the question is, what is the image shown above? That is this one. It is an atom. Who performed the gold foil experiment? This is a short answer type question in which I'll have to type. So the answer is E. Rutherford. And at last I've given a scale, a range scale type of question in which the question is, how was your experience? So it was truly marvelous. So after I click submit, I can view the score, and it will give a notification your response has been recorded. So I can view my score. So I did all the questions correctly. So here it will show you how many marks I got also. So I've got 2 on 2, 2 on 2. So it has been done successfully. And now I'll explain you the features I've used. So exploring questions. As you can see, I've wrote a set of questions also. Uh, then the next one is adding background image. So as you can see, I've added the background, which is So the theme of my background is science, and as you can see, it is closely related with chemistry. So in order to change the background, you can click this customize theme icon, uh, and here you can choose your theme. So in order to keep this image, I took the theme work and school. I just scroll down, and here is the science image that I took, that is here. So I've added a new theme to this form, adding images for the answers. So as you can see, here's an image that I've added from Google. So in order to add the image, we can just click the add image icon, and here we can insert an image, either by uploading it or taking a snapshot, or from our albums, Google Drive, search by URL. There are so many options to upload, or to insert an image. So here I insert an image of an atom. So going to the next one, settings for each question. So here here I've also give settings. It is in the quiz mode actually now. So here I've gave some changes, like I've changed the validations for some basic questions like email address. So here, as you can see, it is asking us to enter a valid email address, and I've also did the settings of various types. For example, here it is in the MCQ format. Here, as you can see, it is in the short answer format. Here is a checkbox format, and here is an MCQ again, and here is a short answer, and here is a range scale. So I've done the settings for each and every question, and uh, I've also kept uh, the first two basic questions, that is name and email. uh, as you can see, the star indicates it is required. So I've changed the settings that these both should be required, and typing these both is must. So I've done the settings for each question and the settings for correct answer. So in order to do the settings for the correct answer, you have to just click the question, and you have to click this answer key and points. So here it will ask you to choose the correct answer. So I've choose this, and you can increase the points. So it is 3, 4, 5. You can increase as many number as points, but in the instruction it is given to add 2 points. So I'm just keeping it with 2, and in the same way I've done the answer settings for every question. So it will display your score in a proper and in a fair way. So I've done I've done the setting for correct answer, and assigning 2 points for each answer. So as I told you, we can assign the points by just uh, clicking on the points. You'll automatically get an up arrow and a down arrow. So you can just change the points by clicking up arrow, which will increase the points. So now it is 2, and I'm changing it to 2 again. So I've assigned 2 points for each answer, and create a demo ID and submit the quiz, uh, and show how the responses are collected in an Excel file. So 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 here, as you know before, I've done the quiz, and here it will show me the graph for each and every question I've done. So to order, uh, create a demo ID and submit the quiz. So I've already submitted the quiz here, and as soon as you submit the quiz, you'll get the responses from each and every person. So as I've submitted the quiz, this is the response I've got. So It'll also show you the graph, as I already told before, and show how the responses are collected in the Excel file. So in order to collect these responses in the Excel file, you have to click this icon, create spreadsheet. So as soon as I click it, it'll ask me either to select existing spreadsheet or to create a new spreadsheet. So I'll create a new one and I'll click create. So here it'll give you a notification linking to spreadsheet. So here is the spreadsheet. As you can see, it is still working. So this is the spreadsheet. I've converted this chemistry quiz responses into the spreadsheet format. So it will show me the timestamp, my email, my score, my name, and it will show me all the questions and the answers of the quiz. And the last one is how was your experience? That is 5. So I can view this as a spreadsheet format also. So as soon as I converted this into a spreadsheet, I can view all these things in this format also. So I've done with all the instructions and the task, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.